Introduction. Earthquakes are natural disasters that occur due to the sudden release of energy within the Earth's crust. These seismic events can cause significant damage to infrastructure, loss of life, and can impact the environment. There are a variety of causes of earthquakes, which can be categorized into two main types: tectonic and non-tectonic earthquakes. Tectonic earthquakes. The vast majority of earthquakes are caused by tectonic forces, which result from the movement of the Earth's tectonic plates. The Earth's crust is composed of a number of large plates, which float on top of the Earth's mantle. As these plates move relative to one another, they can become stuck and build up tension. When the pressure becomes too great, the plates will suddenly slip past one another, causing an earthquake. These tectonic earthquakes can occur at any point where the plates meet, but are most common along plate boundaries. There are three main types of tectonic plate boundaries. Divergent boundaries, where plates are moving apart, causing tension and sometimes resulting in earthquakes. Convergent boundaries, where plates are moving towards each other and can either collide to form mountain ranges, or one plate can be forced under another, causing tension and sometimes resulting in earthquakes. Transform boundaries, where plates are sliding past one another, causing tension and sometimes resulting in earthquakes. Non-tectonic earthquakes. While tectonic earthquakes are the most common, there are other causes of earthquakes that are less common but still significant. These non-tectonic earthquakes can be caused by a variety of factors, including volcanic activity. As magma rises towards the surface, it can cause the Earth's crust to shake and produce earthquakes. Human activity. Activities such as mining, fracking, and the construction of large dams can cause the Earth's crust to shift and produce earthquakes. Meteorite impacts. Large meteorite impacts can cause seismic waves to propagate through the Earth's crust, resulting in earthquakes. Earthquakes can have significant effects on both human society and the environment. Loss of life. The most immediate and tragic effect of earthquakes is the loss of life that can occur. This can be due to collapsing buildings, landslides, and other secondary effects of earthquakes. Damage to infrastructure. Earthquakes can cause significant damage to buildings, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure. This damage can be costly to repair and can disrupt transportation and communication systems. Economic impact. In addition to the direct costs of repairing infrastructure, earthquakes can have significant economic impacts, including lost productivity and disruption of trade. Environmental impact. Earthquakes can have significant environmental impacts, including landslides, soil liquefaction, and changes in groundwater levels. Psychological impact. The trauma of experiencing an earthquake can have long-lasting psychological impacts on individuals and communities, including post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. While earthquakes cannot be prevented, there are a number of strategies that can be used to manage their effects. Early warning systems. Advanced warning systems can provide people with critical information about an impending earthquake, giving them time to evacuate and prepare. Building codes. Strong building codes can ensure that buildings are constructed to withstand the forces of earthquakes, reducing the risk of collapse and damage.